We are going to explore the vibrant tapestry of heritage in South Africa and discover why it's so incredibly important as we approach Heritage Day. First, let's talk about the historical perspective. South Africa's heritage is deeply rooted in the struggle for freedom and equality, notably during the anti apartheid struggle. Heritage sites like Robben Island stand as symbols of resilience and triumph over adversity, reminding us of our shared history. South Africa is a melting pot of cultures, each contributing to its rich heritage. From the rhythms of traditional music to the colors of vibrant artwork, our diverse cultures blend together to create a unique and beautiful tapestry of heritage. Heritage isn't just about the past, it's about today and tomorrow. It fosters social cohesion by promoting unity among different groups. Embracing our heritage helps us build a stronger, more inclusive society where everyone feels a sense of belonging. Now let's talk about tourism and the economy. South Africa's heritage sites attract visitors from all over the world. Tourism boosts the local economies, creating jobs and opportunities for communities near these sites. Before we wrap up, I have a challenge for you. I encourage each and every one of you to start a conversation with your family about the aspects we've discussed today. Ask them about your own heritage and the stories that have shaped your family's journey. You'll be amazed at what you will discover. Some of those aspects include historical perspective, cultural diversity, social cohesion, as well as tourism and economy. In conclusion, heritage is the heartbeat of South Africa, the Rainbow Nation. It connects us to our past, celebrates our present, and guides our future. By understanding and preserving our heritage, we can build a more inclusive and vibrant society for generations to come. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the importance of heritage and Heritage Day in South Africa. I'm excited to see the conversations you'll be having with your families. Until next time, embrace your heritage and let it shine.